Killard Nature Reserve is a hidden gem at the edge of the Ards Peninsula, where Strangford Loch meets the Irish Sea. This protected area is a paradise for nature enthusiasts, boasting diverse habitats from rocky shores to lush meadows. The reserve's history is intertwined with its geological significance, shaped by glacial activity thousands of years ago. Today, it is a sanctuary for rare plants and wildlife, including orchids, butterflies, and seabirds. The reserve's cliffside location offers panoramic views of the coastline, particularly stunning at sunset. Killard is a peaceful retreat, perfect for hiking and birdwatching. Visitors often spot kestrels, peregrine falcons, and even seals basking on the rocks below. While there are no cafes within the reserve, nearby towns or villages like Strangford or Ballyhornan offer plenty of options for a post-hike meal. Accessible by car from Belfast or Downpatrick, Killard Nature Reserve is an escape into the wild, where the beauty of Northern Ireland's coastline comes alive. It's a place to disconnect, recharge, and marvel at the wonders of nature.